Myself Tejas. In this presentation, we are going to learn about analyze the applications of amplitude modulation in long distance radio communication systems. Introduction. As you know, amplitude modulation in long distance radio communication systems. What is amplitude modulation? Amplitude modulation is a modulation technique that varies the amplitude of the carrier signal in propagation to the instantaneous value of the input signal. It is widely used in long-distance radio communication systems due to its ability to efficiently transmit signals over long distance. Amplitude modulation allows for simultaneous transmission of multiple signals on the same frequency, making it suitable for broadcasting applications. Advantages of amplitude modulation in long-distance radio communication systems: efficient use of bandwidth, simplicity, compatibility. Efficient use of bandwidth. Amplitude modulation allows multiple signals to be transmitted on the same frequency, maximize the use of available bandwidth. Simplicity. Amplitude modulation is a relatively simple modulation technique, making it cost efficient and easy to implement in long distance radio communication systems. Compatibility. Amplitude modulation receivers can easily demodulate amplitude modulation signals, ensuring compatibility with existing radio receivers. Applications of amplitude modulation in long distance radio communications systems: broadcast radio, aviation communication, maritime communication. Broadcast radio. The amplitude modulation is widely used for broadcasting services, allowing radio stations to reach a wide audience over long distance. Aviation communication. Amplitude modulation is used for air traffic control and aircraft-to-aircraft communication, ensuring reliable long-distance communication in aviation industry. Maritime communication. Amplitude modulation is employed for ship-to-ship and ship-to-shore communication, enabling efficient communication over long distance on the open seas. Now we can see amplitude modulation for broadcasting. Amplitude modulation allows radio stations to transmit their signals over long distance, covering entire regions or even countries. It provides a cost-efficient solution for radio broadcasters to reach a large audience, especially in rural areas where infrastructure for FM or digital broadcasting may be limited. Amplitude modulation broadcasting is used for various purposes, including news, music, talk shows, and emergency alerts. Amplitude modulation in aviation communication. Amplitude modulation is utilized for air traffic control communication, ensuring safe and reliable communication between controllers and pilots. It allows for long distance communication between aircraft and control towers, even in areas with limited infrastructure. Amplitude modulation's compatibility with existing aviation radio equivalents makes it an essential part of an aviation communication systems. Amplitude modulation in maritime communication. Amplitude modulation is employed for ship-to-ship and ship-to-shore communication in maritime industry. It enables reliable long-distance communication areas which other forms of communication such as cellular networks may not be available. Amplitude modulation radios are commonly found on ships, ensuring compatibility and efficiently communication with other vessels and coastal stations. Signal quality challenges in amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation signals are susceptible to noise and interference, which can degrade the signal quality. Atmospheric conditions such as thunderstorms or solar activity can affect the propagation of amplitude modulation signals, causing fluctuations in signal strength. The use of advanced modulation techniques such as single sideband modulation can mitigate some of these challenges and improve signal quality. Conclusion. Amplitude modulation plays a crucial role in long distance radio communication systems, enabling efficient transmissions of signal over long distance. It finds applications in broadcasting, aviation, and maritime communication provide a reliable communication solutions in various industries. Despite some signal quality challenges, amplitude modulation remains a cost-efficient and widely used modulation technique for long-distance radio communications. Thank you.